Hi, I'm Brian Lambert, and I'm one of the co-creators and facilitators for the workshop Equity and Agility. Now, you can think of equity and agility as a thoughtful blending of cultural awareness and personal growth. Because bridging differences is not accomplished by getting angry or using blame and shame. It comes when we allow others to shift perspectives at their own pace while we're growing too. One of my favorite quotes is from Maya Angelou. And what she says is, do the best you can until you know better. And then, when you know better, do better. I don't know about you, but that gives me a lot of peace. There's a lot of grace given in that quote. It affirms that I'm doing the best I can. The workshop Equity and Agility is modeled on extending that grace to you. I assume you want to treat everyone with dignity and respect. I'm also sure that you've made a few cultural bumps along the way that you'd like to take back. During the 3 days of Equity and Agility, we take time to practice aligning our actions with our values in a judgment-free space. And then we go about creating the community that we want to live in. If you decide to attend Equity and Agility, my hope is that you'll have at least 3 main takeaways. 1, you'll learn something about the origins of what makes you uniquely you. 2, you'll gain some insight into why others act and think the way they do. And 3, you'll pick up some strategies for connecting across cultures. Join me for Equity and Agility.